Please check if you get the right model. Don't worry if you got the wrong one. Scan the QR code on the back and ask for a change. Remove your old screen protector and use the cleaning kits step by step to clean the screen. Pay attention that the top of the arrow should point to the top of your phone. Make sure it's not upside down. Follow the guide on the back of glass and tear off the protective backboard, and then put it on the phone. Slide and wait for 5 to 10 seconds until adhesion completed. Remove the arrow sticker and applicator. Installation completed. Throw away all the used stuffs. Keep the applicator, either cotton, the reserved glass, the second arrow sticker, the cleaning kits, and put them back into the packaging. Make sure to store it properly. Do not put it in the high temper or wet environment.